Hi everybody, it's Ben Huey with FGMO Products in Merritt Island, Florida. I wanted to talk today about how to install one of our automatic bell siphons. So this is what you get in our kit, whether it's 6-inch or 12-inch. They all come with pretty much the same components. You have a bell right here, you have a shroud right here, you have a standpipe right here, you have a cover, and you have your S-turns. All right, we weren't including the S-turns for a little while there, but it turns out that they just help so much. There's no sense in not including them. So what you need to install it is a drill, and you also need a 1 3/4 inch hole saw. You can get them at any big box store, Ace Hardware, Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever. About $5 or $6, maybe a little bit more. But this is what you need to drill the hole for the uniseal that I forgot to mention. This is the uniseal. This is what you use to seal up the hole in the bottom of your grow bed. All right, but what you do is you take the cap, all right, because it's got the 4-inch diameter of that shroud. You want to make sure that it fits. And we're just using this old rotten gross grow bed right here for demonstration purposes. You just find a nice flat area, set it down, you know, see where it would fit to your liking. Make sure, look underneath and make sure that you don't have anything in the way of the hole or anything like that, you know. But just find yourself a nice flat area, eyeball the middle of the hole, put a little dot there. Hey look, oh no, that's not a dot. I don't know what that was. Put a little dot there, and then use your drill to drill a hole like that one. All right, then you take your uniseal and you put it in there. Right, it should pop in. That hole's been used and abused, so it might be a little bit loose. You take your standpipe, it's got the fluted end on it, right? You put it in the hole, and you do like a pushing, turning, wiggling motion to get it down into the hole, and it'll eventually go. If it gives you a hard time, just use some like some olive oil or vegetable oil or something like that. It'll slide right in like butter. And then what you do is you measure 4 inches up from the bottom of the grow bed. I thought that I had a tape measure out here. I do not, but we'll call that 4 inches. We'll call that a Biden 4 inches. Then over the top of that, it's going to be your bell siphon. I'm sorry, your bell. And then over the top of the bell, you put the shroud. All right, and then the cap goes on the top. And don't worry about how tall this is. This is made for a 12-inch bell siphon. This is only a 6-inch. But then you take your S-turns, and you got this pipe sticking down out here. You can trim that back however far you need to, all right, but the S-turns go onto the pipe. And what that does is it causes turbulence right there, and the turbulence is what causes the atmosphere inside of the siphon to collapse. It basically backs up until the water pressure pushes it back down, and that's what makes the siphon happen. All right, so that's as far as the installation is concerned. I'm gonna make another video here in a minute that's demonstrating how this siphon works. If I left anything out, or there's anything that's unclear or anything like that, just send me a message and let me know. I'll do my best to fix it. So yeah, I'll be back in a minute and show you. I'll demonstrate how the siphon works. And just remember, there's only one F word: FGMO Products.